Hello dear students, welcome to the course of thermodynamics. This is your introductory lecture. So thermodynamics is one of the basic subject in mechanical engineering. It is included in third semester BTech program. The course code given by the university is PCC ME201 and I am Parveen Chauhan. About me, I am assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at Aravali College of Engineering and Management. I am pursuing PhD and completed my master's in technology, that is MTech in manufacturing technology and automation from JC Bose University of Science and Technology YMCA. About my experience and achievements, I am having almost 7 years of teaching experience as assistant professor in various engineering colleges, 2 years of coaching experience as GATE tutor, and some of my students also qualified GATE exam, 1 year of industrial experience in production. I have qualified GATE exam 10 times from 2010 to 2019. I have qualified BARC exam 3 times, that is Bhava Atomic Research Center. I have qualified some of the state exams as well. Now about the syllabus of the course. In this you are having 7 units. In unit 1 you will be learning some of the basic terms and concepts like heat, work, state, property, process, cycles, path, function, point function, intensive property, extensive property, different types of work. And in second unit you will be learning about the temperature and related terms like zeroth law, like thermometer, first law of thermodynamics, concept of total energy. And in third unit you will be learning about the pure substances and the concept of ideal gas, real gas, compressibility chart, two-phase systems, how to use the steam tables, Mollier chart. In unit 4 we will learn the application of first law of thermodynamics. That means how we can apply the first law concept in a flow processes. You will be driving a equation which is known as steady flow energy equation. In unit 5 we will learn about the second law of thermodynamics and some of the statements given for the second law like Kelvin-Planck, Clausius statement. You will learn the concept of Carnot cycle, which is ideal cycle for any engine, absolute temperature scale. Then in unit 6 you will learn about the concept of entropy and availability function. In unit 7 we will learn some of the basic cycles, thermodynamic cycles like Rankine, Brayton cycle. So this is your syllabus. About your books, lots of books are available, but for your exam point of view, P.K. Nag and Singels and Bowles, that is one of the best book you can prefer. And for readings, you can prefer these books by Singer Wales, Sons, by Jones, J.B. Dugan, Moran. So lots of books are available. But P.K. Nag, that is fourth one, that is okay in terms of your exam purpose. This will be better. About the objective, of course, why you should learn the thermodynamics. The objective is that you should understand the basic concept of the thermodynamic properties, their relationship, laws of thermodynamics like first law, second law, third law, zeroth law, the behavior of pure substances to solve engineering problems. So the main objective is to understand the basic mode of heat transfer and the energy interactions. Now what will be the outcome of the course? Outcome of the course will be first that you will understand the basic concepts of thermodynamics and you can apply the energy balance to system and control volumes. Analyze performance of energy conversion devices and cycles like I have like your geyser, like your other devices, you can calculate and analyze the performance of your device. Then you can evaluate the properties of pure substance, gases, their mixtures in various processes, learn to differentiate between high grade and low grade energy like heat and work, understand the second law limitations. Now about the course evaluation methods. As you know, we are in a pandemic condition of COVID-19, so still we are waiting for the instructions from the university, and whatever the instructions we get, we will follow them, and your evaluation method will be done accordingly. So thank you.